There will come a point where no job is needed. I think we are seeing the most disruptive force in.
Hey ChatGPT, welcome back to ChatGPT Explains. Today I got an interesting query. So the query is AI creating or destroying job? Well, we are all aware of creative destruction. That suggests that every creation in some way leads to destruction of something else. How does this principle apply to AI impact on the job market? Can you provide me example of both job creation and both job displacements caused by AI and discuss whether the net effect is positive or negative for the economy and society?
Sure, that's a fascinating topic. Welcome back to ChatGPT Explains. Today we're diving into a hot topic. Is AI creating or destroying jobs? To understand this, let's first look at the concept of creative destruction. This idea suggests that innovation inherently involves destroying old processes or jobs while creating new ones. So how does this principle apply to AI's impact on the job market? Job creation by AI. AI has been instrumental in creating entirely new job categories. For example, the rise of AI has led to the need for data scientists, AI specialists, and machine learning engineers. These roles didn't exist a decade ago, but are now among the most in-demand jobs. Job displacement by AI. Conversely, AI can displace jobs, especially those involving repetitive and routine tasks. For instance, automated customer service chatbots have replaced many call center jobs. Similarly, manufacturing has seen a significant shift due to automation, with robots taking over tasks that were once performed by human workers. Net effect, positive or negative. Determining the net effect of AI on jobs is complex. On the positive side, AI can enhance productivity, create high-tech jobs, and potentially improve the quality of life by taking over mundane tasks. On the downside, it can lead to significant job displacement, especially for workers whose skills are rendered obsolete by automation. For the economy and society, the net effect can be seen as a balance between these factors. Economically, AI-driven productivity gains can lead to economic growth and new opportunities. However, socially, there must be measures in place, such as retraining programs, to help displaced workers transition to new roles. In conclusion, whether AI is creating or destroying jobs isn't a simple black and white issue. It is transforming the job market through creative destruction with both positive and negative impacts. The key lies in how we manage this transition to maximize benefits and minimize harms. Hope this helps. Would you like any changes or